Right now we are butterflying our shrimp just a little bit, not all the way through, but this is going to give the batter a chance to really adhere all over the shrimp, and you're going to kind of have that crunch a little bit more throughout versus just like on the surface. So we're just going to use a little paring knife and cut through until it looks like this. So I'm gonna let these hang out on the paper towel for a sec while I start to prep the other ingredients. This is just a plate of shrimp, again, just about half a pound. And we have them in one even layer, and we're just letting the paper towel absorb some of that moisture. It's just a tablespoon of butter. Then we're gonna hit it with a 1/3 cup of brown sugar, a 1/3 cup of water, and our pecans. Walnuts. Oh goodness, yeah, our walnuts. Sorry guys. Our walnuts. So we're gonna put that on about a medium at our cornstarch. Our egg whites. And that's our batter. I don't know if I was supposed to beat the egg whites first. Okay, we're gonna heat our oil. We're shallow frying because we don't got a lot of oil, so we just gonna make it work. We're gonna drain off the excess, and then we're gonna pop it right into These shrimp are bigger than I thought. A 1/4 cup of mayo, 2 tablespoons of honey, and 1 tablespoon of condensed milk. So we're gonna eyeball this. It's about a 1/4 cup. Then we're gonna hit it with our honey, 2 tablespoons. 1, 2. And 1 tablespoon of sweet condensed milk. 1. I love this container for condensed milk, because who's gonna use the whole can? Yeah? Yeah, for real. And now we're just gonna give it a little mixy mix. I'm just gonna mix it till I don't see the mayo anymore. It's nice and incorporated. Nice and smooth. See what that tastes like. That's nice. Very good. Okay, stop playing with that. Now, we must combine. Walnuts, which I should have probably set aside because they're getting sticky. So shrimp. Walnuts. Let's bring that closer. And then our sauce. Now we just give it a little stirry. Let's give it a try. Oh yeah. Bomb. So good. All right, y'all, how easy was it to make that Panda Express honey walnut shrimp dupe? It's so delicious, but I can imagine it's even better at home. I mean, fresh ingredients. You can control the ingredients and everything that goes into it. So give it a try. The details for the recipe are in the description box below. And of course, check out my restaurant remix playlist where you can have plenty more restaurant dupes that I love. Until next time.